So good morning to all of you. Today we would be studying about the topic hunger, hardship and popular revolt. We would study that what happened in Europe after 1845. From 1830, what was the condition of Europe? See, this period basically a period of great economic hardship. People face many economic hardships, and there were various reasons for that. The most important reason was that the population of Europe was rising day by day. The population was increasing and the job opportunities were very less, due to which many people from the rural areas, they had to migrate to the urban areas for job security. Poor people could not arrange housing for them, and therefore they started living in slums. So the first problem that they faced was that the towns, cities, they became overcrowded, people started living in slums. Another thing was that during this period, the small producers, they could not face stiff competition from the goods that were made in England. You have already studied that initially industrial revolution started in England, and here now goods were made in machines. They were of better quality and they were cheap. So the small producers who were not using machines, who were producing things from their hands, they could not compete with machine made goods of England, due to which they also suffer a lot. Another thing, there was crop failure. Crop failure can be due to flood, due to drought, due to any disease. So since there was crop failure, so therefore the prices of the goods rose very high, which poor people could not afford. And hence they were getting poor day by day. Also, during this time, in many parts of Europe, feudal systems still exist. Here, the peasants, they were exploited. So these were the main problems that were common all over Europe. There was hunger, there was hardship, and there was revolt. One such revolt, we would study about the revolt of 1845, which took place in Silesia. Weavers of Silesia village had led a revolt against contractors. Now these contractors, actually they used to supply raw material to the people living in village for making the finished goods. And suddenly they reduce the payment, the salaries of these people. And ultimately they all revolted against them. On 4th June at 2 p.m., a large crowd of weavers marched in Paris up to the mansion of their contractors, demanding higher wages. Workers were treated with scorn. They were threatened alternatively by the contractor with the help of army. So these workers, they attacked on the houses of the contractors. They fought for their aim. They could not win this revolt, because ultimately they were you can say the weavers, they were killed. The contractors came with police and many of the weavers were killed. So therefore, although they could not achieve their aim, but at least they tried to revolt against the ruler. I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.